guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel and the video is here. मैं बहुत लंबे टाइम से इस वीडियो का इंतजार कर रही थी, इस वीडियो को बनाने का इंतजार कर रही थी and finally we are 10,000 strong. Oh my god, I'm so happy, so excited, so glad to feel this way and totally when my subscriber count hit 9,999, I was freaking out and I was really eager to see that number, and then I posted Insta story asking for that one angel, one missing angel, and a lot of people out there subscribed in like minutes. And yeah, my channel was freeze at that moment and it wasn't updating, and after 7 to 8 minutes of those long eager wait, I saw that my subscribers were 10,015 and it was such a beautiful feeling. I can't explain. The emotions that rushed to my head is something that I really can't explain. Thank you so much you guys for being so supportive, so kind, so generous throughout this journey. And I know a lot of YouTube channels out there hit these milestones in like 2-3 months, and yes, they are obviously they are absolutely really good channels, but for me it took like 2.5 years to reach to this number. But I enjoyed every second of this journey, and I always wanted my startup, my mini startup, my baby, my YouTube channel to be like a tree whose trunk is properly grounded, whose roots are rooted really well than just getting humongous in size. And that way we are going on. Thank you so much you guys, and especially I want to thank my family, my close friends, and you people. Because of you people, I'm getting that comfort physically and mentally to amp up with the freshness of the content and to make content every Tuesdays and Fridays, and it's such a beautiful feeling just because of you all. Thank you so much. So as I promised, it's a 10k Q&A video, so we are going to have that in this video. Also, we are going to have a major announcement of 10k giveaway, which I'm going to give at the end, so stay tuned last step. Now, I received a lot of questions on YouTube community and also on Instagram that you people wanted to ask about my journey, about how I earn, how things are going on and all of it. So I have categorized it all into one and I'm going to talk about it. So let's get started. So on August 18, 2018, I uploaded my first ever YouTube video, which was my introduction video, and back then we sucked at editing, we sucked at shooting, we sucked at presenting things, but bit by bit we improved each day with each video. And जब मैंने मेरा पहला video upload किया था, truly speaking, I was so confident. मैं एकदम तसल्ली से बैठी हुई थी, मुझे लगा कि वीडियो वायरल होगा, बहुत सारे व्यूज आने वाले हैं, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ. यूट्यूब पे ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि appreciation works as motivation to work really hard. And in this case, on YouTube, appreciation means views, likes, comments, subscribe, जो मेरे केस में बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा था. इनफैक्ट स्टार्टिंग में बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता, कमेंट नहीं आ रहे होते, सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा होता, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग आउट देयर. सो आई थॉट आई शुड डू समथिंग टू मेक पीपल अवेयर अबाउट माई चैनल, एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड टू डिजाइन दिस रियली बेसिक कार्ड. एंड आई डिसाइडेड कि आई एम गोना गिव दिस टू रैंडम पीपल, बस पे, ऑटो पे, कॉलेज के बाद, एंड आई एम गोना आस्क देम टू सपोर्ट. And I really remember days when I used to give those cards to like 20 people a day, and then I rushed home to see my subscriber count and I saw that not a single soul passed by my channel. एक इंसान ने भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया था. I felt so bad at that moment. But truly speaking, this journey has taught me a lot and it has made me move out of my comfort zone. So I kept improving my content, the way I was talking, the way I was presenting my videos, and slowly, gradually, I saw growth happening in 2020. And around June, July in 2020, our channel amassed 5,000 subscribers, and that was the most beautiful and precious moment of that really ugly year 2020. And in this entire journey, I realized the importance of hard work. I know I'm a very average person like most of us, but I can work really hard without worrying about the results, without thinking about the struggle that I'm going through, and that I think is the most beautiful and most important trait in me. And then I realized that इस पूरे 2 साल में around 2.5 years मैंने ये सीखा कि the only thing that can help me is hard work and making videos एकदम back to back. And that's that about my journey. And also, after a lot of hard work, YouTube starts to put some amount of money in the pocket of creators, and then comes brand promotions, जिससे creators को बहुत help होती है content को improve करने में. And when I started out, I was really fascinated about these things. And when at this point of time I'm working with some good brands, I really enjoy the process. And YouTube पे ऐसा है कि सक्सेस रेट 100% होता है, बट टाइम टेकन इन्फिनाइट भी हो सकता है. एंड इस पूरे प्रोसेस में आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हो. एडिटिंग स्किल, कम्युनिकेटिंग इफेक्टिवली, परफॉर्मिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. Also we get to learn how these brand works, how PR agencies work, how influencer marketing campaign runs, and all of it. Although these processes are really hectic, but it's like a whole job. And from my videos, from my channel, the only thing I want to communicate is कि if I win in this journey, then also people will take it as a motivation. And even if I fail at some point of time, then also people will learn from my mistakes. And मैं मेरी इस वीडियो या किसी भी वीडियो से ये नहीं कहना चाहती, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, कि फैशनेबल दिखो, मेकअप करो, वर्कआउट करो. डू इट ओनली इफ यू feel like doing it, and I'm there to suggest, to help, to guide, just like your friend. And on a wider aspect, on a wider note, the only thing that I want to propagate is to work hard. सिर्फ इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में हो, whatsoever it be, work hard, dare to dream big, and dare to become the biggest in the industry, best in the game. And if you're willing to desire, if you're willing to do what it takes, then no dream is big. And I think I have cleared a lot of questions out there all together, and my jaws are paining. I need some rest. Ta-da! And now it's announcement time. 10,000 special giveaway as I promised, and I really want you people to participate क्योंकि rules बहुत ही simple, basic हैं, Alisha type. The first rule is to comment down the video. Rule number 2 is to share this video to one of your friends. Rule number 3 is to follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_ right there. Rule number 4 is to subscribe to this channel. That's it. So that was it for today's video, and I know I blabbered a lot too much क्योंकि ये video बहुत special है मेरे लिए, so please bear with me. Also मैं giveaway details description में डाल दूँगी. Please go through that if you want to participate. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down obviously, and yeah, please follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I love you guys. Ta-da!